Sweater from H&M, pants from Zara, hat from Ralph Lauren, shoes Adidas Samba. Okay, let's go. House. Bye plants. I'll see you next week. Just want to say to my bye. Bye you guys. Bye my office. Okay. Let's do it. What about it?
It's always the best shit, but you always pay the highest prices and the highest.
What?
Even the body lotion is argan oil collection. It's not that cheap shit. It's not.
I
that,
even use
it's
this.
Not that. We always stay at the Hyatt. This shampoo,
That brand?
No, this, yes, this pharmaceutical oil, whatever it is, with the argan oil. Oh, it's so soft.
So. Welcome to Chicago! Thanks, babe, for the hotel. Is there any money?
Yeah, no problem.
Can you turn off the TV? I want to vlog a little. We just checked in our hotel. The room is very nice. We're on the 32nd floor and we have the nicest view ever. But today's plan, change outfit, wash up a little, and then walk around the city. We have reservation at 7 at Giordano's Pizza. What's the other one? Do you want to go to the other one that he recommended?
Illuminati, no.
It's not Illuminati. So our Uber driver recommended something. It's called
Illuminati.
No,
Illuminati.
can you grab that?
L-O-U-Minati.
Lumina. Yeah. So, but he doesn't want to go there, so we're sticking to the plan. We're gonna go to Giordano's and try their pizza there. It's my first time in Chicago, and I'm very, very excited. And our hotel is very nice. We are staying at Hyatt. How do you pronounce it? Hyatt?
Hyatt Regency.
Hyatt Regency.
Downtown
We are staying at Hyatt Regency, downtown Chicago.
On West Wacker.
On West. Huh? Do you want to say it, bitch? Can you?
West Wacker.
Where are we staying?
On Hyatt Regency at
You say it.
Hyatt Regency, downtown Chicago, on West Wacker.
Okay, that's it. We're staying that. We're
They
staying.
shot the Batman.
Oh, what
They
a-
shoot all the other good movies here.
Yeah, but yeah, we're staying here. We're staying in a nice and beautiful hotel, and I like it. I love it. Thank you, baby. It's nice.
Yeah, tell the YouTube things.
So we already showered, washed up, put makeup on. OOTD check. The top is from Meshki. My pants is from H&M. Belts from Amazon. I'm wearing my new Margiela tabby. I have my Rolex watch and my engagement and my accessories. Oh, and this is the bag that I'm using today. It's from Prada. Yeah, this is what we're wearing. Let's go.
We actually need to go that way.
We're the only one in the field.
Yeah. They're doing this so people don't sit here during the 4th of July.
Oh, I see. But usually it's
Because
open for people.
Oh, during the concerts? Yes, of course. Oh, shit. Here you go.
we already sat down, we ordered food, and we have to wait 45 minutes for the food. That's insane. I'm starving. I'm crazy starving.
So day one is over. It was fun. It was a great day. Tomorrow will be a full day again. I'm gonna let you guys know what we're doing tomorrow. I have a full day of itinerary, so I'm gonna let you guys know tomorrow. But for now, good night. See you tomorrow. Good morning, guys. It's our second. Oh shit, this water. Good morning, guys. It's our second day in Chicago, and I already showered. Just in case you're wondering, I already like fixed my hair so I can do my skincare and get ready with you guys. So first thing first, I already cleansed my face with my CeraVe. So I put the CeraVe cleanser over here. I don't want to bring the big one. We're gonna use my Cosrx COSRX AHA PHA clarifying treatment toner. Then all over your face. 2 pumps, cause I like to spoil my face with a lot of serum. Brought my fan with me, small fan. I feel like today's gonna be hot, but I still want to wear my blazer. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit for today. It's very cute. It's giving Miu Miu vibes. Next is my Sunday Riley Vitamin C Brightening Serum. 2 pumps, 2, 1.5, 2 or 1.5 pumps. And then just like that. So shout out to Elemis to introducing me this one. It works for me and it works for my skin. This is really good. I literally recommend this one. That's pretty much it, because I'm gonna put a little bit of concealer and blush on and then lipstick, but I'll take you guys with me. So let's put something on my neck because I'll be wearing just a bra today. And now we're gonna do my makeup, a little bit of makeup. But I'm gonna go to the other side because our bathroom situation here is very, very small. It won't fit all of my makeup here. I'll show you guys. This is the bathroom situation, so we're gonna move to the other side and do my makeup. This is my skin after I did my skincare routine. Do we like it? You like it?
Yeah, sunscreen?
Yeah, why too much?
No, you want a tan, right?
Oh no, not on my face.
Why not?
Cause, oopsie. This Dior is really good. My Kosas concealer, and I'm on the shade 6.8 W. Sponge. Give my concealer like. I'm gonna use my Chanel bronzer. This is their new shade. They came out with a new shade, and I just got it in Miami last time. Just this is my summer blush lately, like I use this all the time. I use the e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil. I'm on the shade Neutral Brown. And I'm gonna powder my face with my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish in the area that, you know, that I get oily. And I'm gonna add more blush. So for my lips, I recently discovered this nutmeg from NYX, and then I combo it with MAC taupe lipstick, and then I layered it with my Rhode Peptide Lip Treatment. Oh my god, I think I'm almost done with this one. To finish up the makeup, I'm gonna spray again with my finishing spray. It's from Charlotte Tilbury. Good. So that's it. This is my quick summer glowy skin. Now, let's get dressed.
Bueno, sí. Camina.
This is my outfit for today. Top is from Nordstrom. My boxer is from Homegirls. My Celine belt, Nordstrom. Thrifted. My blazer is thrifted. And then I'm gonna use my Balenciaga bag. And I think I'm gonna match it with my Balenciaga sunglasses too. So this is the look. I was supposed to wear my black loafers, but I got blisters yesterday from walking with my new tabby loafers. So I think I'm gonna stick to my Hermes or on sandals always. I got this last year and I've been wearing it ever since. So this outfit.
Salsa para bailar este ritmo tan sabroso.
Okay, the top from head to toe, it's from Zara. Shoes from Emiliano, New Balance, and then the sunglasses is from Prada.
Yo te traigo la salsa buena. Estamos gozando ahí nada más que rico está. Si yo te traigo mi salsa ahora.
They said they closed at 4.
Good morning, guys. It's our second day today, and we are out here in the city. Out here at the cafe called Ventux. Ventux? How do you pronounce it?
I don't know. 23.
Ventois? Ventux or Ventois? It's literally across, like 1 block away from our hotel. We walked over here and we're having breakfast now. I had an egg sandwich and a matcha latte, always for sure. And we're just enjoying this peaceful morning in the city because there's nobody in here. It's very quiet right now, but wait until like maybe like 9 or 10. It'll start to get crowded again. So today's agenda is I already booked the Willis Tower at 9 a.m. Huh?
Sears Tower.
Sears Tower? Oh, it's not Willis Tower?
If you're from Chicago, it's Sears Tower.
I'm not from Chicago.
But you're not a tourist either.
I'm a tourist.
Oh, you are?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So I already booked the Willis Tower at 9 a.m. It's like you're gonna see the whole city. We're gonna be on the 91st floor. I'm not sure how high it's gonna be, but it's like the one that I went to New York. And then after that, I wanted to go to the art museum here, but it's closed apparently. And so we're just gonna do the boat taxi and see the architectural farm and see the architectural sightseeing, and then we're gonna walk around and shop some vintage clothes again for sure, and that's it. And I will take you guys with me today. Maybe it's hard. It is hard.
It's not that sweet.
No shit.
The fish is good.
No
And there's a, it's like banana muffin. Oh, banana pudding. Inside.
Is it? What the hot dogs come on for number 2?
Is it beef hot
Beef
dog?
hot dog, the Portillo's beef hot dog.
Oh, perfect. Yeah, that's fine. Can I get the Italian beef sandwich?
Any peppers?
Yes, please.
We hot or both.
Hot.
And to go.
That's it?
Thank
It's gonna
you.
be 27.26. Thank you.
It's not a hot
even
dog.
hot dog.
Italian beef sandwich.
Oh, Italian beef sandwich. Let's take a bite. What's this? It's spicy, babe. Putang ina ang init. Walang bubong.
Guys, this is our last night in Chicago, and today was great. We did a lot of things today. We woke up very early this morning to grab some coffee because the city gets really chaotic after like 9 or 10 a.m. and we took advantage of like the quiet and peaceful city vibes. You know, we did a lot of things today, and I got a new bag. I'm very sentimental because this is my first Louis Vuitton bag. If I want to get a Louis Vuitton bag, I want something like it's timeless and not everyone have it. Growing up, I don't care about having designer bag or any type of bags. Like, I don't want bags, but as you get older, you get matured and you appreciate that mas magandang mag-invest sa quality than, you know, mga trendy stuff. So ngayon, my husband bought me LV bag. It's my first LV bag, and I'm very blessed and grateful for him. I'm not shopaholic. I'm not into like designer stuff, to be honest. If I want to collect something, if I want to buy something, if I want to buy designer pieces, it has to be like na gusto ko talaga. Alam mo yun, na hindi ako mag-regret na Because hindi naman kami mayaman. We're not rich. Hindi naman kami mayaman. You know, we work hard for things that we want. We work hard for this kind of life that we have. So spending money like that is big for us. And that's why I'm very, very happy and grateful and blessed that, you know, he's my husband and he takes care of me so much and he loves me and he will, you know, do so much for me. He doesn't want to disappoint me and he'll do everything for me, and I'm very, very happy. So this trip is very, very special. It's my first time here. This is where my husband was born. I appreciate that he was out here trying to be a tourist with me, because he hates it, because he was born here. So who wants to like be a tourist when you were, you know, when you know that you grew up here. I think this is gonna be our last trip until, I don't know, until I get my visa. I'm emotional, but I'm very blessed and grateful and thankful for what's happening around us right now. And tonight I'm already dressed because we're going to dinner. I actually like made time to like fix and, you know, like trying to be, you know, presentable tonight. Going to Maple and Ash. So yeah, I'm not sure if I want to bring you guys with me because I want this dinner to be intimate and just the two of us, but we'll see. But anyway, I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. This set is from Meshki. Not really sure if I'm gonna wear heels because I just got a blister, but let's see. I'm thinking of wearing my Prada bag or the Tory Burch bag. So this is the look. Hi, good morning. Today is our last day in Chicago. We woke up late, we sleep in because we got really tired from walking yesterday. The last day was amazing. Maple and Ash is recommended if you want to check out some steakhouse in Chicago. Maple and Ash is recommended for sure because the food is good, the service is good, but it's just like maybe because it's 4th of July, our server is very like busy and we had to wait longer than usual. We had Japanese Wagyu last night. It was so good. It melts in your mouth. Sorry I didn't film because I wanted to be intimate. I want us to like enjoy, you know, like not filming everything and just be present. Oh yeah, so I'm gonna show you what we got yesterday. I got my first Louis Vuitton monogram bag. It's my first LV. Shout out to my husband for always making me happy. I'm gonna show it to you guys, but let me show you guys my outfit for today. So this is my outfit for today. It's very casual. This set is from Meshki. My blister is very, very bad, so I'm still gonna wear Hermes or Rod sandals. I can't wear any of these shoes right now. Like, my tabby fucked up my feet very bad, but yeah, that's my outfit. So I'm gonna show you what I got yesterday. So this is my first LV bag. I'm so excited. Let's unbox it.
video. Thank you guys for coming with me. And until next time, see you on my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Thank you. Bye. Bye, babe.